welcome you all. Thank you so much for coming. It's been a long time since we've been able to have an open house presentation, so thank you for being here. My name is Abby. I'm the school principal. In the past, you might have noticed that the school was built around each subject being separate. You have language arts, you have social studies, you have mathematics, everything is separated. But we all know, and if we just take a moment to pause, our world is not divided that way. Imagine you go out and look out the window and you see, well, there's development, that's social studies. You see science because you see what plants might grow here. You see mathematics and measurement and how they built and engineered the roads around here. You see all subjects integrated in our world. What we know now is that our graduates of the world need to have a broader ability than just that specific knowledge. What does a letter mean? So we like to be more specific about the feedback we give so you know what to help your child do to improve and what we want to help them to improve in. Our reports are divided into 3 sections: what the child was able to do at grade level, what they need to work on, and then what you and we will do to help them improve. It's not about achieving academic excellence only, it's about achieving all kinds of excellence as a whole person. So it's achieving excellence together.
We're always focused on the core competencies. We're focused on growth. What we want to report to parents at the end of each term is we want to report where they're at, how they're doing, what their next steps are. We want to move our kids as they grow and develop. We want to get them to a place where they not only have a complete understanding, but they can demonstrate a sophisticated understanding. So within everything we do, we're looking for that depth of knowledge. We're trying to expand beyond simple ability to recognize, to recall. We're looking for them to understand, to be able to compare, contrast, interpret information. All of those higher level thinking skills that make our students more successful in their educational journey as they go.